Hello viewers. The health market is overrun with detox supplements because we are constantly consuming toxic foods and beverages and breathing in harmful chemicals. However, the majority of these supplements have negative side effects. In today's video, we'll talk about foods that function as natural blood purifiers and how you can naturally purify your blood by adding a few easy items to your diet. How tasty is jaggery? Is hibiscus a potent cleanser? What about coffee? We're talking about it all and more, so let's start with parsley. Frequently 1. Parsley is a vegetable that sometimes goes unappreciated. It is used as a garnish on many meals in restaurants, but many of us consider it to be insignificant. There are two types of parsley, the curly and the flat leaf Italian kinds. A wrinkled leaf is a great source of vitamins C and K as well as antioxidants for your lungs. The two main organs that affect the blood's detoxification process are the liver and kidneys. Parsley can assist these organs in releasing any extra toxins they may be holding onto, and the volatile oils in parsley can neutralize substances that cause cancer. Every char on your barbecue. The next time you're hosting a barbecue, make sure to top your steak with chimichurri sauce, which is loaded with parsley. A few studies on animals have suggested that parsley and basil may have liver protective properties, and regularly consuming parsley can aid the kidneys in eliminating waste without adequate filtration. Toxins will continue to circulate throughout your body and blood. Parsley juice can help extend eye health and prevent blindness by increasing blood flow to the small arteries. Have you ever tried parsley tea? If so, did your health noticeably improve after consuming it on a daily basis? Start a discussion with our closest friend by leaving a comment below. The second community 2. Coffee to coffee. Your daily cup of coffee in the morning may be the most effective way to cleanse your blood. Brewed or instant coffee can boost your body and shield you from a number of frightening disorders. Coffee is thought to be one of the most performance-enhancing substances that has been thoroughly researched and can be a potent detoxifier. Research has demonstrated that coffee consumption can minimize the incidence of liver cancer and inflammation as well as hepatic cirrhosis. Coffee has the special ability to prevent your body's excess fat and collagen from building up in your liver. However, these benefits are only real if you drink it without creamers or sugar, which could have the opposite effect on your liver. You can flavor your coffee with a variety of other delectable ingredients, such as cinnamon, cardamom, mint, cocoa powder, and even ginger. You will be removing every risk that results in liver disease-related death. Drinking coffee in moderation can help your liver receive the much-needed restorative. Not all coffee continues to be the most consumed beverage globally. If you're searching for information on the newest developments in health and wellness, click the subscribe button to join our millions of followers. Keep abreast with all of our fantastic bestie stuff. Number 3. Jaggery. 3rd. Jaggery is a plant sweetener made from jaggery that is popular in Southeast Asia and Africa. It is said to be healthier than white sugar because it contains no highly processed sugar. It's the ideal way to add sweetness to your food. Jaggery is a fantastic source of iron and contains minerals including calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Getting adequate iron throughout the day can help with muscle function and reduce fatigue. You can be susceptible to anemia. If iron is scarce in your regular diet, using jaggery instead of white sugar may also increase your intake of antioxidants, which may help prevent some types of cancer. It also lessens the likelihood that macular degeneration and aging dementia. Additionally, jaggery can clear blocked blood from your circulatory system and significantly reduce toxic overload. It even has positive effects on your digestive system. This plant-based sweetener has molasses, which is a type of fiber for people who have constipation frequently. 1 jaggery serving can aid in the smooth elimination of waste from your body and help prevent constipation. This miraculous drink, the number 4 green tea, has 4. The best healthy beverage is green tea since it gives you energy without making you jittery. Furthermore, green tea has a calming impact that lasts long after its benefits wear off, so if you haven't been consuming it regularly in the morning, now is the perfect time to start. Green tea has gained popularity among health enthusiasts because it targets liver fat, which helps burn calories and maintains liver function by preventing liver cancer. Research indicates that consuming green tea can strengthen your liver. Supermarkets for health are surprisingly full of varieties of green tea. You can even flavor it with honey or lemon. Tangerine. If you're not inspired to sip anything by this, I'm not sure what will come in at number 5. The most effective health tonic is turmeric. Make yourself a turmeric latte and use the active ingredient, curcumin, as an anti-inflammatory and natural healer. Applying turmeric topically to a wound or cut can prevent dirt and bacteria from entering your blood vessels. The majority of people have tried every skincare product out there. We frequently fail to recognize that the cause of acne and other skin blemishes is internal. At some point, any external product application simply won't work. This suggests an impurity in the blood. Imagine your blood as a taxi carrying oxygen, hormones, vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. Any bumps in the road prevent it from transporting these passengers to their destinations. In this case, the bumps are toxins and impurities. Turmeric will help put an end to itchy allergic rashes, pimples, eczema, and psoriasis through proactive intervention. In addition, since blood keeps the body united, it will also assist lessen stress on all other bodily systems. However, before we continue, click on Drink Turmeric Tea for a week to find out more about this healthful beverage. Number 6. Cabbage. This wonderful cruciferous vegetable helps your body control free radicals. Other members of the same family of vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These high-fiber, nutrient-dense vegetables are also excellent sources of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin C. They also contain significant amounts of antioxidants. Antioxidants lessen the damaging effects that free radicals have on your body. Research has indicated that sulfur compounds have the ability to not only reduce inflammation but also detoxify the blood. Your kidneys assist in filtering blood and preserving water balance, but this filtration process leaves a lot of unwanted impurities in the blood, so it's critical to keep the kidneys free from disease. Research has indicated that cruciferous vegetables, particularly cabbage, may help lower the incidence of kidney cancer. However, it is important to avoid overcooking cabbage. You may use both standard and red cabbage in your claw salads, stir-fries and taco filling, etc. 7. Beet seeds. 7. Beets are a deeply red vegetable with an amazing nutritional profile. They are low in calories and high in vitamins and antioxidants. Additionally delicious, beetroot greens can make a wonderful complement to any salad. The chemical elements known to lessen liver oxidation damage and inflammation are betalanes and nitrates. Beets may be a fantastic addition to a lot of different cuisines. You can use them raw or pickled, sliced, and roasted into sticks to make beet chips. This number 8 sweetener, hibiscus, gives many smoothies, drinks, and desserts its vibrant color and earthy flavor. The cranberry-flavored tea sold in most coffee shops and supermarkets is called hibiscus trendy red drink, and it's the newest hipster on the block. This visually appealing beverage keeps you hydrated for a long period. The vibrant red hue originates from pigments known as anthocyanins, which possess anti-inflammatory and antitoxic qualities. In addition, this tea is highly nutritious and aids in the kidney's filtration process. You can enjoy this refreshing beverage at any time of day or throughout the day. All you have to do is use tea bags or cold brew dried petals to create this refreshing beverage. It can also aid in the treatment of bleeding disorders and improve complexion. If you can find fresh flowers in your garden, you can harvest a handful of petals to sprinkle over salads. Cranberries, blueberries, and other berries. You may include more antioxidants in your diet by eating raspberries and strawberries, which are also the ideal on-the-go snacks. A few animal. According to studies, blueberries are particularly good for your liver and make a great addition to smoothies. Salads, oats, and yogurt in a bowl. Cranberries are also beneficial for maintaining the health of your urinary system since they can fend off harmful bacteria that are known to cause infections, which will maintain your kidneys operating at their best. Number 10. Green leafy vegetables. We've all heard of them. For the duration of our life, we should consume green leafy vegetables to complete our plate of veggies. They are arguably the healthiest food on the earth. They can change the pH balance from a more acidic to a more desired alkaline state because to their astringent taste. Only 1. Spinach, mustard greens, lettuce, and kale, rich in innumerable vital vitamins and minerals, Swiss chard, arugula fennel, and dill keep your body functioning like a well-oiled engine. Number 11. Ginger is a superfood that can help speed up the liver's detoxification process. The phytonutrients in them also help you have fantastic skin, a better memory, and a healthy gut. Ginger. The flavor profile of any dish can be enhanced by adding ginger, which has numerous health benefits ranging from motion sickness to coughing and colds. It also stimulates blood circulation, which in turn helps you absorb more nutrients from the food you eat. Ginger's medicinal properties stem from a compound called gingerol, which also means that more oxygen will enter your system, elevating your mood and boosting your energy levels even after a demanding workday. Ginger oil also helps remove inflammatory products from the body, so continue popping ginger drops or sipping ginger tea in the afternoon to relieve your liver of toxic waste. A strong liver can help you expedite blood detoxification, so maintaining it in top condition is crucial. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos about liver health. Watch 6 early warning signs of liver damage or click on 10 warning signs that your liver is full of toxins. Studies have shown that ginger is beneficial in treating non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases as well. To discover more about how to develop a healthy liver, click on one of these foods, or better yet, watch both. Which of these foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below.